Hello friends, Jermaine here and welcome to this video. This is going to be a quick update on how things are with this channel and where I see myself going with this currently. Almost at 2,000 subscribers. So thank you all those that are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any updates. Now I'll continue to be making Dart tutorials, in particular server side, and also Dart tutorials for the web. I still feel that there's content lacking in that area. I have begun also making tutorials on the Flutter framework, and I've got some of them out right now. However, though, I'll be still focusing predominantly on the Dart language itself and what it offers. I'll be planning an Angular Dart series, and this time it will be mixed in with Aqueduct as a backend. I had been meaning to make another Angular Dart series because the first one I made was quite a while back and is still one of the go-to frameworks for developing applications on the client. Of course, with Flutter coming, it will also gain prominence in the area of web, but I still see room for Angular Dart, and given the comments by Tim Sneath on the GitHub discussion that was raised around this, looks like Angular Dart is going to be here for a while. GitHub listed Dart to be the #1 fastest growing language, and Flutter came third as the fastest growing open source communities. It lets us know that Dart is heading in the right direction, and developers are seeing that Dart is making a strong case, providing developers with the tools to make them productive. And lastly, I've got my head down on the Angel Dart framework series. I've been working on the downloadable content, and I'll be uploading the lesson that I recorded on pagination on my Patreon this coming Friday, the 1st of May. This will be made exclusive only to Patreon members. So if you've found my tutorials helpful so far, become a patron to get access to this lesson when it's available. I also want to issue a shout out to Franz for becoming my first patron. I really appreciate it. Thank you. If you've been watching my Dart content for a while and you found it helpful, do consider becoming a patron. That helps drive future tutorials on this channel, and also it will allow me to invest more time producing much more premium content covering some interesting use cases with Dart. And on that note, I'll leave you. See you on the next video. Thank you.